Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Amazon Connect instance plans step by step clearly. Visit the Amazon Connect homepage. Sign in to your AWS Management Console. From the Services menu, search for and select Amazon Connect. Click on the Get Started button if it's your first time using the service. Choose Create an Instance to initiate the setup process. Select the desired instance configurations for your Amazon Connect plan. Review your choices, ensuring they meet your business requirements. Click Next to proceed to the instance settings. Fill in the required information, including instance name and contact flow settings. Set up user access by adding users who will use the Amazon Connect instance. Configure telephony options such as phone numbers and routing profiles. Add any additional features or attributes as needed for your instance. Review all settings to ensure accuracy and avoid any misconfigurations. Click Create Instance to finalize your subscription to the selected plan. Allow a few moments for the instance to be provisioned. Once completed, navigate back to your Amazon Connect dashboard to manage your instance. Explore the various settings and customization options available to optimize your instance. You are now fully set up with your Amazon Connect instance plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.